Hi doll collectors! Today we're going to unbox the Barbie Foosball Playset. Got my playset for 600 pesos, of course, in Toy Kingdom here in the Philippines. So this is a discounted price from the usual 800 peso value. So the set comes with a foosball table and of course a few other accessories that you could use as part of creating a game night for your dolls. So let's go ahead and unbox the playset. So to unbox this, I've decided to use a box cutter for this particular packaging, since there's not a doll inside and most of the items are made of plastic. I think it's pretty safe to use a cutter. So if you're a child, just make sure that you are accompanied by an adult so that you do not hurt yourself while unboxing this item. So I think there's also a label on the side wherein I think if I just decided to use my hands to pull it apart, probably I could have also opened it, but I just prefer using a cutter for this one. I actually enjoy doing the small assembly that's required whenever unboxing new Barbie accessories. So for this one, just a tiny assembly is required. So you just need to attach the pull legs, the foosball table legs, to the actual foosball table. So it just feels so satisfying to hear that click. There you go. So apart from the foosball table, it has an accessory. So there's different snacks that comes with it. So there's also 2 bottles of beverages. There's also, of course, 3 balls for the foosball that comes with the packaging. There's also a popcorn that you could actually use for your game night. For some reason, Barbie had been, recently including a lot of pets in the different releases that they have. You would notice that the Barbie Extra also have pets in them. Not a lot of people are a big fan of it. I'm also not a big fan of Barbie pets, but hey, I can possibly use them in future dioramas. I like the functionality of the foosball. You could actually really play with those poles. You can turn them around. And it even has a scoring monitor that you could actually, move left to right so that you could keep tabs of the score of the game. So this is how it looks like against the dolls. Let's put the balls on the pool or in the foosball table, and let's try to give it a go. Let's move around the different paddles. So I think I'm really having fun playing with this one. I realized that if you're done playing with your Barbie, you could just play with this foos table with a friend. So I think I was enjoying just playing with the foosball by myself. So I decided to put my foosball table inside one of my bar dioramas, and we're good to go. I think I'm going to have a lot of fun playing with this foosball together with my dolls. It's a good addition to my collection as I make new stories and new activities for my dolls. Did you like this video? Why not follow me in my Instagram account Barbie Foosball, and of course subscribe in my YouTube channel, The Doll Collector PH. Thank you so much for watching.